Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What is the maximum imprisonment for breaching a protection order under Section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years? The correct answer is option A, 1 year. Recently, in the Vishal Shah versus Mona Lisa Gupta and others case, the Supreme Court stated that personal appearance is not mandatory in domestic violence proceedings as they are quasi-criminal in nature. Section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act deals with the penalty for breach of protection order by respondent. Violating a protection order or interim protection order under the Domestic Violence Act is an offence punishable by up to 1 year of imprisonment, a fine up to Rs 20,000 or both. Next, which category of individuals is specifically covered under Section 11 of the Prevention of Corruption Act? Private employees, public servants, business owners, or political party workers? The correct answer is option B, public servants. Recently, in the Vishal Shah versus Mona Lisa Gupta and others case, the Supreme Court observed that it is not necessary to conduct a preliminary inquiry before filing an FIR against a public servant under the Prevention of Corruption Act. Section 11 of the Act punishes public servants accepting valuable things without adequate consideration. Next, when is a report submitted under Section 193 of BNSS? Before the investigation starts, during the trial stage, after the court passes a judgment, or after the investigation is completed? The correct answer is option D. Section 193 of BNSS deals with report of police officer on completion of investigation. Next, which section under BNSS corresponds to notice of appearance before a police officer? Section 25, Section 35, Section 41A, or Section 50? The correct answer is option B. Section 41 and Section 41A of CRPC provides for arrest and the notice of appearance before police officer respectively. This is contained in Section 35 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Next, in which one of the following sections of the Criminal Procedure Code provision for free legal aid is made? Section 301, Section 304, Section 306, or Section 406? The correct answer is option B. Section 304 of the Code of Criminal Procedure deals with the legal aid to accused at state expense in certain cases. Now it's time for the practice question. Offences under the Negotiable Instruments Act are triable by Sessions Judge, Judicial Magistrate First Class, Executive Magistrate, or Judicial Magistrate Second Class. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.